Anka has invited us that today he wants to have a formal ceremony. He is back home and he has decided to come with his entire supporters, his whole structures all over the state to make an important statement that he is back and back for good. And I want, on behalf of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, and I believe I have the authority of the national chairman, he has already come back, officially enrolled back in his ward as a member of APGA, and today we have the honor to formally say, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back home, welcome back home. This is where he belongs. This is where every progressive in Anambra belongs. Because the All Progressives Grand Alliance is Anambra, and Anambra is All Progressives Grand Alliance, APGA. APGA is not just a political party here. It is a movement. It's almost a religion. You go east, west, and so on, you come back to APGA. This is the home. And I want to say a big welcome to Mgbeke. And then next year, all the ladies, I see all our canopies filled with thousands of people, supporters. No. It's quite coincidental that it's happening a day after a very consequential election. And yesterday, the people of Anambra spoke, and spoke loudly. I must appreciate and give thanks to our president, indefatigable president of the Federal Republic, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jagaban, who stood his ground and said there must be free and fair election. Second, we appreciate INEC under the leadership of Professor Mahmoud Yakubu. The INEC officials were at their best. They were at their best in Anambra yesterday. And because APGA is on the rise, Anambra is on the rise, all the other political parties are collapsing into APGA.
Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, why we are here is very simple. Is to officially collapse our structure into APGA. Voters through voting now. It hasn't been like this before in APGA. Over 90,000 votes. Na senatorial election omebehembu unu erofukwara na Kenya bụ mock exam okunuma aye gosi the other parties. No, only one party can win in Anambra State.
One of our illustrious sons, Honorable Okudele Ezewankwo, Mgbeke